Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Tim Hortons Vanilla Cream Cold Brew. So as we can see here, it's mixed up a little bit. I just did a review of the roasted hazelnut cold brew. I wanted to revisit this as it's really good. And this one's mixed up. The roasted hazelnut one I had was, or this one isn't mixed up. The one I other had was already kind of mixed up, but I like when it looks like this because it just looks cool. And yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. Yeah, you can taste the vanilla cream right at the start. Nice strong vanilla taste. Goes very well with the cold brew coffee. It has that classic Tim Hortons taste to it. Kind of similar to their iced caps or any of their other beverages like that. It's really good though. Sweet, but not overpowering. And it keeps that taste of coffee. The cream is a little bit thick. That last sip there was mostly just the cream. What it felt like, it was pretty good, you know? It's got a unique taste to it. Cold brews are typically going to be a little bit more bitter than regular coffee. And some people don't like it that way because people get into something the coffee taste. So if that's you, the cold brew might be a little bit too intense for you. It's not going to be like your iced coffee. It's going to be a bit more traditional with the coffee taste, but still very good. Yeah, got a nice flavor to it. And it tastes very similar to the other cold brews. So that's to be noted. If you had the other cold brew, it tastes kind of similar, but more of a vanilla flavor to it. And the vanilla is very similar to vanilla, obviously going to be very similar to the vanilla they use in the other drinks. So if you like those other drinks, you'll probably like this too. Yeah, very creamy. It's not mixing up very easily. There we go. I'll have one last sip with it all blended together. Let's get my final review on this. It looks cool, but I think I want it blended whenever I drink it. More coffee taste that time. So if you like cold brew coffees, you're gonna like this one because it's a very flavorful version of a cold brew because it's got the vanilla sweet cream in it, giving it that nice vanilla taste. So very good. I like it a lot. Vanilla cold brew from Tim Hortons. I would probably give a scale 1 to 10 and 8 out of 10. It's good, but it does have a strong coffee taste. So if you're not a fan of that, probably go with a nice coffee because that's going to be a bit more sweet for you. It's a bit more bitter. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.